These AI tools are making people money faster than any 9-to-5 job. And no, this isn't one of those get-rich-in-your-sleep theories. This is real. This is practical. And if you stick with me until the end, you'll walk away with a strategy you can launch today to start earning online using tools that literally anyone can use, even if you've never typed a single line of code. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's your guy bringing you the best ways to build income in 2026 using smart money habits, no fluff strategies, and yes, the power of AI. So here's the story. Last month, I challenged myself. How much money can I make in 7 days using nothing but AI tools and no coding? No freelancing experience, no tech background, no expensive software, just AI and hustle. And the results shocked me. Because by day 7, my revenue hit $1,036.42. And the crazy part? Almost all of it came from simple systems you can copy today to start earning online using tools that literally anyone can use, even if you've never typed a single line of code. Day 1. Reality check. It all started on a random Monday morning. I was sitting at my desk scrolling through TikTok when I kept seeing creators flexing AI money hacks. Everyone was talking about passive income, side hustles, AI automations. And I had that moment like, okay, enough watching. Let me try this. So I opened a blank Google Doc and wrote, goal, make $1,000 in 7 days using AI tools, no coding, no excuses. I didn't know where it would come from. I didn't know whether I would fail. But I did know that if I could pull it off, thousands of other people could too. So I rolled up my sleeves and started researching. Day 1 to 2, tool number 1, AI writing for hire, ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. This was my first small win. I realized that businesses, students, bloggers, and even YouTubers are constantly looking for content, and AI can produce it 10 times faster than writing manually. So I created a simple Fiverr profile offering YouTube scripts, blog posts, social media captions, email newsletters. Here's the catch. I didn't write a single word myself. AI tools did everything. How I did it? Client gave a topic. I fed it into ChatGPT or Claude. I polished it, literally 3 minutes, delivered it within an hour. Fast, clean, simple. My first order? A 1,200-word blog about pet-safe cleaning products. Profit, $35. Time spent, 18 minutes. Then another order came in, and another. By the end of day 2, I had made $124 using nothing except basic AI prompting. This alone was enough momentum to keep going. Day 3, tool number 2, AI thumbnail maker, Midjourney and DALL-E. Next, I notice a huge demand. Everyone needs thumbnails. YouTubers, coaches, course creators, small businesses. But they either pay too much or use Canva basics that look cheap. So I used AI to create insanely clickable thumbnails, and let me tell you, the clients loved them. My process was, used Midjourney to generate high contrast images, used Canva to add big, bold text and glow, delivered 3 variations per order. In the first 24 hours of offering this service, I made $15 for a quick thumbnail, $25 for a 3-pack, and $40 for premium thumbnail bundle. Day 3 revenue, $96. My total so far, $220. We're warming up. Day 4, tool number 3, AI voice and video, 11 Labs, Pika, and Descript. Now, this part is where things got fun. People love automated video creation, so I decided to offer a faceless video creation service. The idea, clients give me a script, AI voices it, AI turns it into video, I deliver a finished short-form video. This is massive right now because businesses want TikToks and Reels but don't want to be on camera. The tools I used, 11 Labs for realistic narration, Pika for AI B-roll, CapCut for editing, Descript for syncing audio. In one evening, I delivered 4 videos for a real estate agent who needed TikTok content. Total, $180. My running total jumped to $400 in 4 days. And trust me, still zero coding.
Day 5, tool number 4, AI ebook generator, ChatGPT and Canva. This idea came from a random Reddit post. Someone was selling $7 to $20 ebooks on Etsy, all made using AI. So I tried it. In one afternoon, ChatGPT helped me generate a 22-page meal prep for beginners guide, a 30-day fitness planner, a budgeting for broke students workbook. I uploaded them to Etsy, set cute covers in Canva, and literally forgot about them. That same night, 3 sales. Total, $27. Not crazy, but remember, this becomes passive income, and in 7 days, it added up. Day 6, tool number 5, AI social media posting. Zapier, Opus Clip, and ChatGPT. This was the moneymaker. I created a simple system that auto-generated TikTok videos for small businesses. The pitch was simple. I'll turn your long videos into short viral clips using AI and post them automatically. Businesses loved this. My setup: client uploads long video, Opus Clip breaks it into shorts, ChatGPT writes captions, Zapier auto-uploads to their TikTok and Instagram. I charged $120 per week for individuals, $200 per week for businesses. On day 6 alone, I onboarded 3 clients, totaling $440. This pushed my running total to $867. At this point, I realized I'm this close to hitting $1,000 and I still had 1 day left. Day 7, tool number 6, AI presentations and resumes. Gamma and Canva Magic. This one shocked me. I started offering AI-generated resumes, AI student presentations, AI pitch decks. Why? Because every student is stressed, every job seeker needs help, and businesses always need presentations. Using Gamma.app, I made beautiful 10-slide presentations in literally 1 click. Someone paid $40, then $25, then $35. And the order that finally put me over $1,000? A custom AI-generated pitch deck for a startup founder. Total, $120. The final results. At midnight on day 7, I checked Stripe, PayPal, and Etsy. Grand total, $1,036.42. In 7 days, using only AI tools, with 0 coding and 0 previous experience. Breakdown of what actually worked best. Top 3 income categories: AI social media automation, $440. AI video creation, $180. AI writing, $124. Everything else, ebooks, thumbnails, resumes, was extra icing. The lessons I learned. Lesson 1. Speed matters more than perfection. AI lets you deliver fast, so clients are willing to pay for quick turnaround. Lesson 2. People pay for convenience, not complexity. Nobody cares that the video voice is AI. They care that it's done. Lesson 3. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to offer value. AI fills the skills gap. You fill the service gap. If you've been watching creators make money with AI and thinking, can I actually do this? Yes, you absolutely can. You just watch me do it. In real time, with real numbers, in just 7 days. So if you want part 2 or a full tutorial on any of these tools, hit that like button so hard the algorithm thinks it owes you money. Drop a comment, AI Money, if you're ready to start your own challenge. And if you want my free guide listing all the tools from this video, check the top pinned comment. This is the future. Not layoffs, not fear, not robots taking over, but ordinary people learning to use extraordinary tools to create extraordinary opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.